Here we are in Syracuse, on our way to Antelope Island, right at the Salt Lake in Utah. So this is Antelope Drive, mostly houses, some businesses, but up ahead we'll have to pay for a toll, and we'll go over the bridge, long bridge, over the wetlands until we get to Antelope Island. Well, still driving down Antelope Drive, passing the big golf course over here. And we're getting close. Down to a 2-lane highway. Getting real close. There's the sign, Antelope Island. West Point to the right, Antelope Island straight. You can see there's not much else out here, that's it. We're out in the wilderness now. There's the front, there's the gate. Antelope Island. Great Salt Lake State Park. Let's see who's at the guard booth. They have these gates that can close too at night. Closes at dusk. Entrance fees, $10 per vehicle.
RJ.
You can see the wetlands out there. Antelope Island Great Salt Lake Information Radio tuned to 5:30 a.m. So it's a nice clear day, a little hazy.
For sure. Antelope Island State Park.
Big mountain on Antelope Island. Okay, so we're getting closer. A lot of birds out there. Starting to see a little bit more water by the Salt Lake. Yeah, no, that's the most we've seen so far. I know they have a lot of camping out here. They have campsites you can pay for.
There's the white there, look like a salt. I not know what's that.
Could be. Yeah, we got bike lanes on left and right. There's the island, we're almost there. We are almost there. Here comes the first big bridge. The water goes over there too.
Where is the bridge? Oops.
There's the Wasatch Front along the mountains there. See if I can zoom in. We have a marina boat ramp. No drones allowed. You can get bike rentals here. Electric bike rentals too, even better. This is where they used to have boats. Oh, there's no boats here. Oh, there's one. Oh, because there's no water. That's why. Look, it dried up.
Yeah, but dry.
There's the men's room. Ladies' room. There's one boat right here. On a dry dock.
No water.
No water. boat too.
Where's the parking spot when you see?
Look there.
There somewhere?
Yeah, where the flag is. Snacks and drink inside. What's this?
Access the beach. A beach this here.
Yep, oh, there's the boat.
It's the boat. The big boat there.
Antelope Island. You know, if you go swimming in here, RJ, you can't sink.
Float.
Because there's so much salt in it, you float. Even if you don't know how to swim, you float. Ladyfinger Point. They have a lot of picnic
Many people there.
pavilions around. There's the beach down there.
A beach there.
Yeah. Watch out for snakes here. Okay, so there's the beach, RJ. See the beach? Follow me. Okay, better not go down here. Come around here. Watch for snakes. Come on.
And we here. There is the beach. You can see you there, guys. Up there, so far away. And there is RJ and Daddy there. There's Daddy and RJ there. Good Daddy, RJ.
This is it. Beautiful. Antelope Island. And there's the big part of the lake out there. You can see people swimming way out there. I'm going to try to zoom in. Let's go take a look on that side.
What's down there?
There's a boat out there, see it? Okay. We're taking a hike to that little mountain over there. Short little hike.
Where's RJ? There he is. Okay, we start to hike now. RJ! On the rock.
You can walk out to the beach from here.
Yeah.
It's weird. Be careful of rodents. RJ.
This here. Oh, there's the bird.
Brine flies. That's like an annoying thing. That's what we had in the car. Look, this is what was in the car. The brine fly. That's what that is. Oh, look at that. Beach goes way out. You can see it's dry. Usually the water's way all the way up. Yeah, you walk there. Don't do that. There's snakes in there. There they are. RJ and Mommy.
RJ. Hi. There's RJ.
There's the pavilion way up there. Let me zoom in. You're gonna have too many. You can't do that.
Why?
Only get the good ones, okay? There he goes. There we go. California Gulls of Egg Island.
Other view.
That's the Great Salt Lake, or don't let them go up there.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Daddy. How are you?
Careful on those rocks.
There he is.
That'll be crazy, bro.
Come here. Good, Arjun.
Look at this. Nice view.
We hiking here. A mini rock here. Look at this here. Here's the view. Here's RJ. Yay! I'm here, RJ. Yay! Yeah. I'm so high, you know. I'm so high, RJ. Yep. Here it is. Okay, we go here in the top, RJ. I go here. There's the white. That's the salt. Ah, so hilly here, RJ. No, here now in the top here. RJ, in the top. There is the bird. Oh, that's a bird. RJ, be careful. Yeah, so big the lake. That there. This is 360 view. Look at this. So nice. There's the mountain so far away. And there is the bird there. See the bird eating.
On the edge, it could crack off. See?
I get out here.
Come on. Want to help him?